got Silent Hill, Shattered Memories, Hell, Frozen Rain. I'm not sure exactly what to expect from this, but I do like to try new things and see how things pan out. So let's get into it. See what we got.
Mind's eye.
Hold up.
In your mind's eye lives a memory hard to find, blinded by sorrow, and her cold voice sings a melody. Hear her sing, hell, frozen rain falls down.
I love like real instruments.
She can't hear your voice. She can't hear you.
I like that drum in the background, that dun dun dun. It low-key remind me of like when my grandpa watched westerns, and this is not like to talk trash. It's actually like it's bringing me back to some of my childhood memories. But this remind me like my grandpa used to watch westerns, and when it went from like where it had no sound until they had sound, especially in like the standoff scenes, they would play this drum like the dun 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 dun, like to build suspense, and that's what I feel like this song doing to me right now.
She can't hear you call.
Okay, a little soul in
You
that.
have earned your choice.
Okay.
If you're here, can you prove you're really here? There is a moment in time when all the cards that you played divide. You feel the temperature die, and all your demons inside come crashing through.
Damn.
In your mind's eye lives a memory hard to find, blinded by sorrow, and a strange voice sings a melody.
And now that I'm listening to the lyrics and I'm peeping the picture that she painted, it's like you trying to remember the love and the good memories that you had with this person, but they overshadowed by the pain and the sorrow that you done went through that happened with this person. You know what I'm saying? Like, and I feel like that happens often whenever you fall for somebody hard, but then the relationship don't work out. You start to remember all of the negative, and the negative add up, but you never really appreciate or like fall in love with the little bitty things, the good things that they did, because you so worried, and the negative things plague your brain so bad. And I feel like that's low-key kind of what she's talking about, especially when I heard her talking about like she can't hear your voice, she can't pick up the phone, and if you was really here, maybe she like, show me that you here, show me that you care, show me that, you know, type shit.
And a strange voice sings a melody. Hear it sing, hell, frozen rain falls down.
It does. It's the vocals, the sound, and even the visuals.
Everything is wrong. This is not my home, is it? Do I know your face? Does my mind wish to forget? Our time's too lonely and so who never could take control of a life, and all the missing we love. I hope the darkness they find will give them light. In your mind's eye lives a memory hard to find, blinded by pain and cold voice.
I like that. You know what I'm saying? She hit that bit. I ain't gonna count.
Blinded by pain and cold voice sings a melody. Hear it sing, hell, frozen rain. I sing fast, feeling dangerous. Listen, truth, frozen in lies. Is your family just a memory once again? Hell, frozen rain falls down.
Y'all want to know something I noticed about older music compared to newer music? Not only are the songs longer, this is a 5 minute and 39 second song. Nowadays, people will not make a song that long, but I think the thing about having music that is that long and having that more nostalgic type music, the older music that we used to listen to, I feel like they focused more on like perfection and having a really like cohesive storyline. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's like art over time has become more performative than it has been like creative slash liberative. You know what I'm saying? Like, music back in the day kind of used to like liberate you from like the things that you was feeling, but the only way that it could liberate you from your feelings in the moment is if it took you out the moment long enough and it spoke on emotions deep enough to the point that where you could feel it and internalize it and, you know, feel seen. But I feel like art nowadays kind of feel like kind of surface level, and I think that's what's like I've been challenging myself. Like, whenever I went to go see Sinners in theaters, I realized like even though it was a 2-hour movie, like the storyline took part in literally one day, but so much happened in that one day, and I got so much from that one day. Like, I started to think about my art and like the things that I was doing, and it's like I really need to start pushing myself and start taking my time and really, you know, like putting out a product that I like, you know what I'm saying, that I enjoy. So I'm trying to find that balance of like showing up consistently but also like giving good art, like BTS Spring Day. Yeah, I agree 100%. Check it out. Deep, I ain't gonna lie. She's saying if it is what you saying that it is, then it shouldn't be no confusion. It should have been like that the whole time. You know what I'm saying? She's saying don't switch up. It shouldn't even be no confusion here. I ain't gonna lie. That's bars.
There's one that scares and confuses me. If all these things that you say are true,
what she say?
You should be someone I always knew.
Come on! Y'all not hearing her.
In your mind's eye lies a memory hard to find, blinded by pain, and your father sings a melody, hear him sing, hell frozen rain, our safe arms feeling dangerous, missing truth, frozen in lies, are your loved ones just a memory, burning pain, hell frozen rain falls
Ooh. The instruments, I like how the instruments get their own shine too.
Life is cold here, empty, hallowed ground in my head, blood-colored rain falls down.
Her voice is beautiful. That was good. That was good. That was good. 15 years ago? Dang. A toast to lonely souls who never could take control of life? Yeah, that was a bar. That was crazy.